What if you could effortlessly explore the absolute cutting edge of a programming language, diving into its newest features, optimizations, and syntax, all without a single setup step? What if this revolutionary learning experience was so impactful, it shot straight to the top of Hacker News, igniting a passionate debate among developers worldwide? Well, buckle up, because today we're talking about exactly that. The hypothetical, yet incredibly exciting, Go 1.27 Interactive Tour. This isn't just another language update. It's a paradigm shift in how we learn and adapt to the ever-evolving Go ecosystem. And if the buzz on Hacker News is any indication, Go 1.27, coupled with its interactive tour, is poised to be one of the most significant releases in recent memory. For those unfamiliar, Go, or Golang as it's often called, is Google's open-source programming language designed for simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. It's the backbone of countless modern applications, from cloud infrastructure to web services. Every major release, like the impending Go 1.27, brings a wave of enhancements that continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with the language. But simply releasing new features isn't enough. The challenge lies in making these innovations accessible and understandable to its vast and growing community. This is precisely where the interactive tour steps in, transforming a static documentation page into a dynamic, hands-on learning laboratory. The concept of an interactive tour isn't new to Go. Many of you might remember A Tour of Go, a brilliant web-based tutorial that introduced millions to the language's fundamentals. It allowed users to write and execute Go code directly in their browser, providing instant feedback and a deep, practical understanding. Imagine taking that proven methodology and applying it to the new and often complex features of a major release like 1.27. That's the power we're talking about today. So, why has this particular Go 1.27 interactive tour captured the collective imagination of Hacker News? Because it addresses a critical pain point for developers. Staying current. In the fast-paced world of software, new versions often mean digging through release notes, compiling examples, and wrestling with environment configurations. The Go 1.27 interactive tour obliterates these hurdles. It provides a curated, guided journey through every significant change, from subtle compiler optimizations to brand new standard library packages, all within an environment where you can immediately experiment and see the results. It's learning by doing, on steroids. Let's speculate a bit on what we might actually find in this revolutionary tour for Go 1.27. While Go 1.27 itself is still in the future, we can infer from past releases and current Go development trends what kind of updates would warrant such a comprehensive, interactive deep dive. One major area of focus could be Go modules and dependency management. With increasingly complex projects and multi-module repositories, improvements in "Go mod" tooling, smarter version resolution, or even enhanced support for vendoring could be game changers. An interactive tour would guide developers through these changes with practical scenarios, demonstrating how to gracefully handle upgrades, manage transitive dependencies, and optimize build times. Another perennial focus for the Go team is performance and runtime efficiency. Every Go release aims to make your applications faster, smaller, and more resource efficient. Go 1.27 could introduce significant enhancements to the garbage collector, further reducing pause times, or introduce new compiler optimizations that yield faster execution without code changes. Imagine an interactive lesson where you can benchmark different Go 1.27 code patterns against previous versions, visually demonstrating the performance gains. This kind of immediate, Tangible feedback is invaluable for understanding the asterisk impact of underlying runtime improvements. The asterisk standard library asterisk is the heart of Go, and it consistently receives refinements and new additions. Go 1.27 might bring new packages for specific use cases, or significant enhancements to existing ones, perhaps in areas like networking, cryptography, or concurrent data structures. An interactive tour could feature challenges where you implement a secure communication protocol using new crypto package features, or build a highly concurrent server leveraging updated /sync primitives. These hands-on exercises would solidify understanding faster than reading any documentation. Tooling and developer experience asterisk are always high on the Go team's priority list. We could see updates to Go PLS the language server protocol implementation, offering even better IDE integration, smarter autocompletion, and more accurate diagnostics. The Go 1.27 tour could include interactive demonstrations of new Go vet checks, or improvements to Go test capabilities, showing how to write more robust tests and catch common pitfalls with the latest tooling. Such a tour acts as a living changelog, complete with executable examples. Given the widespread adoption of asterisk WebAssembly, WASM, it's not unreasonable to expect further advancements in Go's WASM support in 1.27. This could mean more stable APIs, better performance for WASM binaries, or even new examples showcasing Go's capabilities in front-end development or serverless functions. An interactive module on the tour could walk users through compiling a Go application to WASM and integrating it with a simple web page, making the complex world of cross-platform compilation immediately accessible. And let's not forget about asterisk generics, introduced in Go 1.1.